The day hasn't even really started yet, and then this. Something went wrong in the plant. Production downtime costs a lot of money. Everything was fine yesterday. But hey, looking at who's already here, I don't need to worry. If only everything and everyone worked as fast as Robert from Dräger Service, including documentation. And it's already in my mailbox. Robert knows his way around the plant and works almost autonomously. We have minimized downtimes thanks to regular maintenance based on our service contract. We don't react, we act. That saves us a lot of money. And to top it off, we even got high praise from the boss. The only tough thing is the fact that another company's name is on the car, because it doesn't feel like that at all.